Use makeup remover to eliminate dirt, oil, and residual makeup. Wash the face and neck with a facial cleanser. Then evenly apply toner. Gently apply serum to the face. EMSEL, lifting and firming. Settings. EMS energy level, 3. Time, 10 minutes. EL energy level, 3. Glide the handle on 3 face areas, move upward on the chin, from the middle of the face to the side on the cheeks. And upward to the hairline on the forehead. Apply the essential oil evenly across the face. RF suction, promote circulation. Settings. Energy level, 3. Time, 10 minutes. Suction duration, 0.5. Release time, 0.3. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Note: adjust the suction and release duration individually or choose the preset mode. Glide the handle on 3 face areas, move upward on the chin, from the middle of the face to the side on the cheeks. And upward to the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Lipo laser reshapes the jawline profile. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Mode, M1. Energy level, 3. Secure the small laser pads on the chin with the strap. Allow the device to work for 20 minutes. Take out the laser pads and remove the strap. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, and facial cream.